In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Spotify Wrapped not showing. Let's get started. First, launch your Spotify app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the home page. Now I can go through the home page. You might find the option of Wrapped over here. In case you could not find over here, click on the search icon. Now in the search box, type in Wrapped 2025 and search it. From the results, you should be able to access Spotify Wrapped directly. Still not showing? You can first close the app and relaunch it. Now try to access Spotify Wrapped. It might be available. In case it's still missing, log out of your Spotify account and then log in back. Likewise, check for app update. Navigate to App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Spotify. If you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. With these, you will be good to go. You will get access to Spotify Wrapped. Lastly, you can also navigate to the website spotify.com/wrapped. This will automatically redirect you to Spotify Wrapped and open it inside the app if it's available on your account. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.